To automatically share Instagram posts to Facebook, tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right. Next, tap Accounts Center. Then tap Connected Experiences. Tap Sharing across profiles. Then tap your Instagram. Then tap the toggle next to automatically share your Instagram posts. And by default, it will share automatically. But when you post on Instagram in the future, simply scroll down and tap your Facebook profile next to Also Share On. And you can tap the toggle if you want to turn off Facebook sharing just for that one post. Tap Don't Share This Post. Now, if you're finding you haven't connected your Facebook to your Instagram, go through the steps in this tutorial to connect them. Then come back here and go through these steps again.